Thank you for buying this 15772 3.5 gallon or 13-liter cereal dispensers. You got a set of 2 with one purchase, and this comes with the tabletop or countertop mounting stand. You can also contact us to purchase the wall mounting bracket. The listing for the wall mounting bracket is also in the description field. You can locate that. These are 2 screw positions you can fasten through your countertop from the bottom into this space, or we're going to show you a different way to clip into a screw that's fastened to the countertop of yours. These are the screws to fasten the base. You basically clip that in after you set the screw in place. If your countertop doesn't work with this particular machine screw, you could go to a local hardware store, get a longer screw, or use a wood self-tapping screw of adequate length and diameter. All you need to do is fasten that spacer and washer in place. And then you basically just pressure fit the opening into it, and that'll give you plenty of friction to hold it in place. Then you can sit the container right on top of the base. And that's how you push and then slide it up. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. In addition to this 3.5 gallon size, we also have 16928 1 gallon size, as well as 15773 or 15771, that is 5 gallon capacity. Dimensions about 22 inches tall, 16 inches deep, and about 6 inches wide. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, like us, subscribe, leave a good feedback and product review. This is the portion control. Use a screwdriver to flip the black control unit backwards for slower speed, forward for faster pace. When doing so, make sure you do it gently. The screwdriver can be powerful, so use less force, just enough to take that for slight movements. It is top open, you can feel, and there is a display chamber in the front as well, and then storage portion in the back. We encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. We have many different acrylic beams, among other merchandising products for your home and business use. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.